positive outlook coming in for interest rate sensitives, given the fact that tomorrow you have the MPC meet outcome. 10 a.m. is when the RBI governor will be announcing the rate decision. What everyone is penciling in is a 25 basis point rate cut, but there is a section of market that's expecting a deeper rate cut at that. In fact, let me bring on board Gaurav to actually help us understand what are we penciling in when it comes to the MPC meet outcome.
Well, yes, Trump tariff is already causing turbulence in the market, but other than that, specifically in terms of India, we will be watching out on the RBI MPC meetings outcome, because now around 90% of the surveyed economists believe that around 25 basis point of rate cut is what we can see in this meeting as well. With this, the overall repo rate will go to around 6%, and there are two reasons why economists believe that. First is when we talk about inflation, now they believe that inflation is going to ease down. In fact, the inflation, which was as high as more than 6%, is expected to come as low as around 3.6%, which is the lowest in the last 5 years. Other than that, when we talk about IIP data, we are seeing some kind of slowdown because it is expected to grow at around 3.2% in the month of February. Other than that, what is key thing to watch out for is the RBI stance, because currently RBI holds neutral stance, but some economists believe that RBI will go ahead and change their stance to accommodative, while at the same time others believe that it will be really too early to go to and change the stance. And the reason being that it is currently at a trade war situation when we talk about tariff which are imposed by Mr. Trump, and that is the reason why they believe that RBI will still remain cautious. Other than that, any kind of commentary from RBI in terms of how the growth is going to be is a key thing to watch out for, because at this moment when we talk about India's growth rate, RBI believes that India can grow at a rate of around 6.7% in terms of GDP in FY26. So any kind of change in estimate is something to be watched out for, and any kind of changes in terms of the stance from RBI, and at the same time any kind of changes in terms of the commentary coming up from the global trades which are happening is a key thing to watch out for. But as of now, around 90% economists believe that we will see another rate cut in this meeting of MPC.